Is this the shortest buyer's market ever? So Tara, isn't this amazing? Was this really the shortest buyer's market ever? Which was how much? Like 2-3 months?
A couple months, yeah. You know, there was a lot of pent up buyer demand, and with rates coming down to just about 6%, we're really seeing the market activity increase.
But here's the thing. Although it seems like it was a buyer's market, it really was a balanced market.
It was a balanced market. I think maybe for 30 days we moved into what they would technically call a buyer's market, but we are definitely back into a balanced market moving into a seller's market.
Yeah, it just actually swung to a seller's market, and it's because the mortgage rates have eased.
Oh,
right?
Thank goodness. You know, we've said all along that we really believe that as soon as rates got back down into, we said, you know, kind of the even, anywhere in the 5, anything that starts with a 5, that would be enough to bring those buyers back, and that certainly proves to be the case.
And this is what we've seen. Mortgage rates go down, transactions go up.
Yes, absolutely. And I think just with pricing balancing out, last year it was just a little bit crazy in the first couple months of the year, and I think buyers are ready to get back in the market.
And January is the best month since mid-August when it comes to under contract.
New contracts.
Yeah, new contracts.
Yeah.
And get this, we're heading into our prime selling season, which is the spring.
The spring, yeah. I honestly think 2023 is going to be a great time for buyers and sellers to purchase real estate.
But what will the interest rates do?
I think we're going to keep seeing them come down into the 5s, which is really exciting. And just a reminder to you guys, this little baby buyer's market that we had allowed several families to participate in interest rate buy downs, get in with less money out of pocket, and have great negotiating power. So even though we're shifting to a seller's market, don't wait until we're back into an extreme situation. Definitely talk to Rob today and learn more about home buying.
Yeah, give us a call if you have any questions. We'd love to help you. Thanks for watching.